Hi, I'm Monica with Face Wear Makeup and Skin, and today I'm going to talk to you about cleansing your skin. It should be pretty easy, but if you're using the wrong cleanser, you could be causing lots of damage to your skin. Even some of the natural cleansers out there's a lot of natural cleansers out there that say all natural, have organic ingredients, but they could have some of those same harsh ingredients that are found in products like dish soap or cleansers that are just so harsh that they strip your skin way too much. So you have to be careful. So using a cleanser that's stripping your skin is really bad, but using a cleanser that's too emollient, that's too rich and creamy is also bad. If it's too rich and creamy, it could be clogging your pores. So it could have ingredients in it that are a little too occlusive. Occlusive means it's trapping, it's creating this barrier on top of your skin and not allowing things to get out or in. So the Anise Green Tea Cleanser has great ingredients that help with so many different skin issues. They all have such great benefits for the skin. Everything from normalizing oil production to creating a healthy environment to help prevent bacterial growth, to helping to prevent and reverse sun damage. It helps to tighten the skin as well. So there's so many good qualities in the ingredients that are found in the Anise Green Tea Cleanser. So it's great for everybody. It's good for all skin. It's gonna help to create a healthy environment. So it has organic anise oil, which actually helps to tone the skin. It'll actually help to lift the skin and tighten it, but it also has the ability to fight off infection. So it's great, like a slight antibacterial action that it has that will kill the bacteria that could be lurking in your pores. So the cleanser will get down deep into your pores to cleanse it, and it will also create a healthier environment in your pores that's not allowing the bacteria to thrive. It's not allowing the bacteria to grow, which could cause breakouts. So the anise oil is one of those, it's balancing your skin. So it's actually helping to hydrate your skin, but it's also helping to fight off any bacteria that could be lurking inside your pores. And it's helping to tone your skin. So it kind of does a lot. I mean, everything you might need from a cleanser, it's gonna do. So it's a very nice, uplifting, refreshing scent. So when you wash your face, it kind of wakes you up. It feels very refreshing. It smells great. No artificial fragrances. It's just from the anise oil and the peppermint oil is giving it that nice, refreshing scent. So another ingredient is burdock root extract. So burdock root actually will help to balance your skin. It'll help regulate oil production. So it's not gonna stop oil production, and it's not gonna allow you to produce more oil. So it's gonna help normalize the oil production in your skin, but it also has antibacterial and antifungal properties to help hinder any bacterial growth or fungus growth on your skin. So it's very great for cleansing your skin, keeping it clean, keeping it healthy, keeping it free from possible breakouts. So another great ingredient is organic green tea extract, which is an anti-inflammatory and anti-irritant. So it's gonna help with any irritation that could be going on with your skin, maybe caused by a cleanser that you're using before that was irritating your skin. So it actually has polyphenols in it, which is an antioxidant. So it helps your skin to actually fight sun damage. So if you have any sun damage on your skin, green tea extract will help with that. So another benefit of using the green tea, Anise Green Tea Cleanser. So the Anise Green Tea Cleanser, the best way to use it, you wanna use it twice a day, and you wanna use it morning and night. You don't need to use it more than that. The way I like to use it is I like to use the lemongrass bladderwrack mist. So at first I like to spray my face with the lemongrass bladderwrack mist. So this is very important. If you spray your face first with this, it's just gonna help your skin absorb more. So now that your skin is moistened with the lemongrass mist, now you can take a pump or two. You don't need that much more. You're not using a washcloth, you're not using cotton pads, you're not using tissue. You're just gonna take a pump or two and just rub it around your face. And then you can add more water and kind of lather it around. It has a slight lather. It's not detergent-y. So it's a nice creamy gel. So you're gonna rub it around all over. It can remove some of your eye makeup, but I do have the eye makeup remover that's gonna remove it much better. But for a little bit, it will work. So you can rub it all around your face, and then you can rinse with water, and then you're gonna spray the lemongrass mist again on top. The water that you use actually will irritate your skin too. There's so many chemicals in our water that it's gonna affect the pH of your skin. So that's why after you cleanse, if you just mist your face, it's gonna help regulate the pH and just allow your skin to absorb the serums and the moisturizers and the oils that you're gonna put on after. So the Anise Green Tea Cleanser, it's a cleanser out there that doesn't have harsh, stripping ingredients in it. So it's great for everybody. It's good for all skin. It's gonna help to create a healthy environment.